JL Trades by Journaling Joyce, let's talk about GGIFs and how we trade the GGIFs. First, we need to know if may offer ka ni GGIFs. Paano mo malalaman? You need to visit your CashG app, tap the barrel tab. Take note, hindi lahat ina-offeran agad ni CashG ng GGIFs. Paano magkaroon ng GGIFs? Dapat regular mong ginagamit si CashG like bills payment, scan QR, and so on na lahat ng features ni CashG. If meron ka ng offer, you need to activate that. Take note, yung offer o yung loanable amount is depende pa rin kay CashG kung magkano yung i-offer sa'yo. And it was limited offer lamang. Yes, limited offer lang siya and weekly nawawala or nadadagdagan yung loaning amount ng GGIFs mo. So, bakit ako nandito? Andito ako to tell you na we can or I can trade your GGIFs offer into cash, real-time payment, and with video call process. Take note, if we process your GGIFs conversion into cash, we need the requirements. What are the requirements? Requirements is taken for me to know na kayo talaga yung owner ng credit limit para wala nang aberya for future. I do accept sa mga credit limit na siya mismo yung owner. Hindi po ako nagtitrade ng kay mama ko to, kay kuya ko to, sa asawa ko to, or and so on and forth. Kailangan yung owner talaga ng GGIFs yung kausap ko at magpapa-cash out sa akin. And if you want to cash out your GGIFs, you can message me here. You can check my Facebook page for receipt. Take note, kung may GGIFs offer ka naman, pwede namang hindi yan i-cash out. Pwede mo yan magamit sa mga shopping malls, groceries, and so on na may mga QR na pwedeng magamit ang GGIFs and nag-a-accept sila ng GGIFs payment. Ang conversion is ginagamit lang or pinaprocess lang if need mo ng funds kasi ang GGIFs conversion ay meron service charge. Yes, meron po tayong service charge dito. Meron pong bawas pag nagpa-cash out kayo sa amin. Hindi po to libre, meron po akong service charge as a trader. So if you want to trade your credit limit or GGIFs limit, you can message me on Blue App. Tara, usap tayo doon. Kung meron kayong katanungan, you can comment and sasagutin ko kayo.